Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. For this video, mapapanood po natin ang full performance ni Miss Philippines PJ Opiaza, ang ating Miss Fitness Supermodel World 2025 first runner-up. Let's watch this whole video. Now 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
Princess Juliana Piazza from the Pearl of the Orient Sea, Philippines!
Ipinakita ng kapatid ni Miss Grand International 2024 CJ Opiaza na walang iba kundi si Princess Julian Opiaza ang kanyang galing, talento at talino para sa Miss Fitness Supermodel World 2025 competition, kung saan ay nakapasok ito sa at nanalo bilang first runner-up. And now at this moment, mapapanood po natin ang kanyang swimsuit performance, kung saan makikita ang kanyang galing at pagtuturo ng kanyang kapatid na si CJ Opiaza. And now at this moment, on the evening gown performance, hindi naman nagpahuli ang pambato ng Pilipinas na si Princess Julian Opiaza na ibigay ang kanyang eleganteng pagrampa sa kanyang evening gown.
Who will be the next in our top 5? Miss Philippines!
Dahil sa kanyang ganda at galing ay nakapasok nga sa top 5 finalists ang ating pambato para sa taong ito.
Miss Philippines, please come and receive your question. And how are you feeling tonight, Miss Philippines?
Very excited and very happy to be here.
Thank you. Miss Philippines, if you wanted to change yourself, what would you change?
Thank you for the question. I came here in this competition, Miss Fitness Supermodel World, because I want to change for the better. It is within myself, my heart, knowing my true purpose and how I will use my voice to influence other people. I know with the 2-week span of this competition, I have grown to be so much better. And if I go back to the Philippines, I will share the same kindness and the impact of love of Vietnam gave me in this past 2 weeks. And I know I'd be able to share that and let that shine all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Philippines.
Wonderful answer. I'd like to invite Miss Philippines and Miss Canada to the middle of the stage, please. Is Miss Canada!
At sa tagpong ito ay nakuha nga ni Miss Philippines ang first runner-up sa kompetisyon. Once again, congratulations to our very own Miss Fitness Supermodel World 2025 from the Philippines, Princess Julian Opiaza, for winning the first runner-up. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong pagsuporta at sa patuloy na pagantabay sa channel na ito upang lalo kami makapagbigay ng mas marami pang mga balita at mga updates. Magkita po tayong muli sa susunod na video at huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe.